Hi, I'm Cass Maslanka. I'm a mathematical visual poet. In 2006, I created this mathematical poem. In 2008, it was published by the mathematicians Sara, Glaz, and JoAnne Growney in their book, Strange Attractors, Poems of Love and Mathematics. What I'd like to do is explain this poem so that anybody could understand it. So let's get to it. I hope you like it. Mathematicians will tell you that you cannot divide by zero. It doesn't make sense. It's undefined. But Isaac Newton came up with this incredible idea that you could get infinitely close to zero without being zero, and therefore we could use it. He called it a limit. That's what this LIM here on this equation is. We want to take the ego to the value of zero. We want to get rid of the ego, right? And so we can use this limit to get infinitely close to the value of zero. So, since we want to get rid of the ego, let's just start by cutting it in half. So we have 1 divided by the ego. Well, if the ego is 1/2, then we have 1 divided by 1/2. So if you remember in grade school, to divide fractions, you invert and multiply. So 1 divided by 1 over 2, you invert, multiply, love becomes 2. Strangely enough, just cutting the ego in half, you've doubled love. So let's make it even smaller. 1/100th. 1 divided by 1 over 100. You invert, multiply, love becomes 100. So let's make it even smaller, really, really, really small. 1/1,000,000th. 1 divided by 1 over 1,000,000. You invert, multiply, love becomes 1,000,000. So you can see, this says get rid of the ego, take the ego to 0. So as the ego approaches 0, love approaches infinity.